Happy Mother's Day. It's a great time to talk about happy breasts. We're here with Zappos and Mamava. We're talking all about breastfeeding and how to make it more accessible to breastfeeding moms. Today we're talking all about boobs and breastfeeding. Did either of you breastfeed? Yes. Do you know a lot about boobs and breastfeeding?
I've been around a few.
Been around a few boobs.
I know a little about.
A little about. Did you breastfeed?
40 years ago, yes.
Really? You breastfed 40 years ago. Where are some safe places if you want to breastfeed or pump that you feel like you could go?
My car. When I'm outside, nowhere. I go back to my car. Like, I would like to do it outside, but I know a lot of people are not comfortable with it and I don't want to be dealing with it, so let's just go to the car.
I'd say anywhere that is perfectly clean and safe. I wouldn't recommend her go anywhere. If the baby's hungry, the baby's hungry. All you need is a cover and you breastfeed. If it's even in the middle of the street.
What?
It's time for me to feed my baby. I just have to take my boob out real quick, guys. It's just, there's not really another safe place for me to do it. This is really the best. Hi, sir, thank you so much. I just need like a minute, you guys. Just like, it's fine. It's so natural though. In the street, that's really the best place to feed your baby when you have no other choices. So it's totally fine.
If it's a crying baby and you have nothing but the breastfeed, that boob is coming out, I guarantee you.
In the United States, generally a ladies' room.
Restrooms?
Usually there were restrooms maybe in the mall that had special areas.
Restroom, toilet.
I love bonding with my baby, and she deserves the best, which is why I always try to seek out the dirtiest bathroom I can find so I can breastfeed her.
How many weeks of paid maternity leave do you think that working women are mandated to get in the U.S.?
2 months.
3 months?
That's 6.
4.
I think it's only 6 weeks, something like that.
9 months.
First year.
0.
No, 0. Really?
0. Do you think that there are a lot of spaces provided for moms that are comfortable and clean and safe?
No, I don't. No, I breastfed my children and I don't see any more places that accommodate breastfeeding mothers than when I did it 30 years ago.
I did it, but I think they should have designated places.
Have you seen designated places?
No, I haven't actually, no.
No, what were you saying?
I haven't, never seen them.
We've learned a lot about breastfeeding today, so make sure you check out the link. It doesn't have to be a weird conversation. It could be a great conversation. So find out, click the link below and find out more about supporting breastfeeding moms in your area.